The F5 Koroyd helmet is the most advanced helmet we've produced to date. In a power sports first, we've removed sections of the EPS or the internal liner and replaced them with Koroyd welded tubes. We have positioned the Koroyd in the helmet to improve both breathability and impact protection. Koroyd welded tubes allow more air to enter in the helmet while riding, and also while being stationary, it allows the hot air to escape out of the helmet. And most importantly, the Koroyd material is able to absorb more energy than other materials.
Improving helmet safety is about how well you can manage the impact energy.
Koroyd was developed following a UK air disaster, when a commercial aircraft endured a heavy landing, which resulted in multiple fatalities and serious injuries to the passengers. Following the accident, a research project was undertaken to evaluate the current seat design and also to determine how the structure could be improved to reduce the risk of injury in case of a similar accident. During this research, it was determined that a tube is the most efficient structure to absorb energy for a given distance. Subsequently, the lead engineer from this project developed what was to become Koroyd, thermally welding thousands of tubes together to create this superior energy absorbing structure.
Current materials have been empirically derived from those used in the packaging industry, and the helmet safety standards reflect this.
In motorcycle helmets, we only have between 30 and 40 millimeters of liner material thickness to absorb the entire energy generated in an impact. And with such a small thickness of energy absorbing material available, it's imperative that when impacted, the liner is maximising the amount of energy absorbed. Koroyd is proven to absorb up to 48% more energy than the current foams used in helmet liners. With Koroyd's outstanding performance during an impact, we're able to absorb significantly more energy than existing materials and reduce the risk of injury in case of an accident. Koroyd is currently integrated inside cycle, ski and industrial helmets to minimise the risk of injuries, increase airflow and reduce weight. Our collaboration with Klim has demonstrated that their team strive to achieve excellence in design, functionality and performance. The result of which is this class-leading helmet, the Klim F5 Koroyd.
The F5 Koroyd helmet is our most premium helmet. It is designed to improve the rider's experience and engineered to protect.
The Adventure Rally is designed for aggressive adventure riders who demand the best out of themselves and their gear. A finished garment is only as good as the sum of its parts, and with the Adventure Rally, we carefully select only the best materials available and craft them into a suit that offers an incredible level of weather and rider protection. The Adventure Rally is our version of the concept car, our flagship piece that we use to push the bar in technical motorcycle apparel to new heights. And the best part is that what we learn from our halo piece eventually trickles down into every garment that Klim makes. Engineered for the most extreme adventures, Klim. The way we approach making gear is that we look at it through environment dictates innovation. And the off-road rider has a whole different set of needs than someone riding motocross. We've been making off-road gear for years, and what's cool is that at this point we've got riders all over the world in every type of situation that we talk to regularly that give us awesome feedback, and we take that and use that to build the next generation of gear with the sole intent to make the rider's experience the best it can be. At the end of the day, we know our gear has to be durable. We build our off-road gear for the guy that puts his bike, his body, his gear through the paces, and he does it all day long. But we build it for the guy that does that day after day after day. And our gear has to hold up for him. You know, on the last redesign, we thought we had created the most articulated patterning in the pant to get the best comfort we could get at that time, and we did. But we scour the earth for new materials and new technologies and new ways to pattern and new ways to produce. This time, we've beaten what we did before, and so we never stop. We're relentless in trying to find whatever's next and whatever's best. Today, Klim is the highest standard in off-road riding apparel. We have worked hard to create the most durable, most functional, longest lasting gear that we possibly can make. The reason we build the gear the way we do is because we ride off-road and we know what it takes to have a great riding experience.